Are you an engineering student struggling with Python? Fed up with endless coding problems and tedious debugging? It's time to transform your learning experience with the KeySkillset Python course. Why choose the KeySkillset Python course? We've tailored our course specifically for engineering students. We understand your unique challenges and have crafted a solution to make Python easier and more enjoyable. Here are the key benefits you'll enjoy: hands-on practice with realistic simulations, clear video tutorials that simplify complex concepts, engaging audio lessons for learning on the go, immediate one-on-one expert help, real-time feedback to improve your coding skills, comprehensive coverage from basics to advanced topics like object-oriented programming, interactive exercises for immediate application, progress tracking with regular assessments, certification to showcase your skills, solutions to daily coding problems, techniques to reduce frustration, time-saving shortcuts and best practices, confidence building through expert guidance. Take your Python skills to the next level. Stop struggling and start excelling. Join the KeySkillset Python course today and revolutionize your Python learning experience. Enroll now and start mastering Python effortlessly.